Hi guys, so if you want to cancel Canva for work, I will show you how, okay? But I suggest that you cancel it 2 days before the free trial ends, okay? Don't cancel it immediately, just use it until about 28 days and then just cancel 2 days before the free trial ends, okay? So I'll show you how, alright? So now you can see here the URL is canva.com design slash DAC blah blah, okay? So just delete that, okay? And just type canva.com. Okay, so it will redirect you to this page where you are logged in. So we need to see your profile here. Okay, our profile is named Emily, so just click your profile name and then just click account settings. Okay, all right, so just go to billing and teams. Okay, just click billing and teams here and then just scroll down. Okay, and then you can see here the plan. Okay, plan Canva for work. Okay, so you can change this or you can cancel. Okay, so right now our billing is $12.95 per month, so we can change that. So just click change if you want to get a bigger discount. Okay, if you want to pay for the yearly um yearly plan. Okay, it's 9.95 per month and it's cost $119.40 per year. Okay, if you want to get a cheaper discount, you can do that, or you can do monthly. Okay, I'm just showing you, but I'll show you how to cancel. So if you want to cancel, just click here, cancel, and then just click cancel my subscription. Okay. So the features that is Canva for work is magically resize designs, organize photos into folders, create theme templates, and save your brand kit. Okay, so all that will be gone if we cancel Canva for work. Okay, so that's what will be gone. Okay, so now just click this button, cancel my subscription, and then that's it. Okay, so you will not be billed anymore. Okay, so just click no thanks, and that's it. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.